Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. Super excited to walk you guys through this boat. It's a brand new boat, just came in. This is a 2026 Sylvan L-5 Platinum package. Ton to check out. Super excited to walk you guys through it. Come aboard, let's check it out. Welcome aboard, guys. Here we are on the brand new 2026 L5 Platinum. What makes the Platinum package so special on the L series is instead of that aluminum fencing that you're going to see on the exterior with the Platinum package, specifically on the L series, you're going to pick up the full fiberglass fencing. So it's going to give you that really elegant look. Super awesome boat. So again, super excited to walk you guys through it. Starting back here on the swim platform, this boat is going to be powered by a Mercury outboard 250 horse. You will notice this boat does have a lily pad ladder. That's an upgraded ladder, just makes getting on and off the boat really simple. And then you do have an integrated ski tow bar back here with your enclosure. You are going to have port and starboard side walkthroughs. You're also going to have a really nice and spacious sunbed back here that does flip forward and aft. So if you wanted to sit forward like it is currently, you can do that. Or if you're anchored up in the cove or beached up somewhere, you can lay it back like this and have a nice big sunbed area back here. You will also have a cockpit table. This boat does have the dual helm chairs. This on your helm station here. This boat is going to have an upgraded raised helm, which is another feature you pick up with the Platinum package on this boat. You are going to have a Simrad multifunction display, so that's going to give you everything from your Mercury data to your chart plotter, your depth finder, and then obviously you have all your rocker switches for your interior lighting, your dock lights, your navigation, and things like that. Another really cool part about the Platinum package is you are going to pick up some of this upgraded sea decking here on your helm station, along with the sea decking up front here on your in-floor storage. Moving forward into the bow of the boat, you are going to have a changing station underneath your port side backrest right here. And then with the 25-foot tritoon package this boat has, you are going to pick up a lot of seating space up here in the front of the boat. So you could probably fit 3 to 4 people very comfortably here on your port or starboard side. So guys, there's a ton more to check out on this boat. Love to tell you guys more about it. If you're interested, visit us at marinemax.com, or if you'd like to see it in person, come schedule a private showing here at Baldridge Marina at MarineMax Lake Lanier.